Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable TPM 2.0 on Asus motherboard. To enable TPM 2.0 trusted platform module on an Asus motherboard, restart your computer and enter the BIOS setup by pressing the appropriate key during the boot process. But commonly used keys are F2 delete for Asus motherboard. Once you are in the BIOS, navigate to the advanced mode. Then click on Advanced tab. Navigate to the Trusted Computing section using the arrow keys on your keyboard. Select the Security Device Support and set it to Enable. Now click on Save Changes and Reset to exit the BIOS. After restarting your computer, TPM 2.0 should be enabled on your Asus motherboard. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.